Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. So, we are on to book 7 of the Creative Book Club here, and we always start off each book by just journaling what we think the book might be about. So, this one is called The Wedding People by Alison Espach. I think I said her name right, hopefully. Um, and I am going to take a guess and say that it's going to be about weddings. So, keeping that all in mind, I've got my acrylic markers here that I'm just going to do up what I thought would be a cute little wedding cake. And I love the colors of this cover, so I'm just going to kind of stay true to that. Meanwhile, as watch me draw, I'm going to read the little inside flap here on what the wedding people is about. So it says, it's a beautiful day in Newport, Rhode Island, when Phoebe Stone arrives at the Grand Cornwall Inn wearing a green dress and gold heels, not a bag in sight, alone. She's immediately mistaken for everyone in the lobby for one of the wedding people, but she's actually the only guest at the Cornwall who isn't here for the big event. Phoebe is here because she's dreamed of coming for years. She hoped to shuck oysters and take sunset sails with her husband, and now she's here without him, at rock bottom, and determined to have one last decadent splurge on herself. Meanwhile, the bride has accounted for every detail and every possible disaster the weekend might yield, except for, well, Phoebe and Phoebe's plan, which makes it that much more surprising when the two women can't stop confiding in each other. In turns absurdly funny and devastatingly tender, Alison Espach's The Wedding People is ultimately an incredibly nuanced and resonant look at the winding paths we can take to places we never imagined, and the chance encounters it sometimes takes to reroute us. So, sounds really interesting. I'm wondering if maybe after reading that, it might be not exactly what I think it might be. Um, but I always enjoy a good story, especially one that's a bit out of the box, and I'm really looking forward to reading this. So, well, as you can see here, I decided to make my wedding cake, just the kind of peachy tones, and I actually splurged and bought myself these acrylic markers on Amazon, and I am in love with them. They actually work really well with this paper. Before, I was trying to use just acrylic paints that I had that are a bit outdated and not very good. So it's nice to get something new that actually works. With this wedding cake, I'm just gonna add a few little flowers. Of course, you can decorate your cake however you want, or you could make a totally different cover. It's entirely up to you. Sky's the limit, but the whole point is to just have fun, kind of let your mind relax, and think about the story and reflect on it, and what it might be about. It's kind of fun to look back at the past journals and see how close or not close I've been at trying to guess what this story is about. So I'm curious how this one's going to turn out. So if this is the first time watching the Creative Book Club with me, what we do is every other week we pick a new book, and we start off by journaling what we think the book's going to be about. And then the next week, I'll have a new video on a craft that you could possibly do with your friends if you have your own book club, or do on your own that's kind of related to the book itself. But crafting with your friends is just a fun way um, to get together and celebrate, and you can, you know, just bring your own food and drinks, and you don't have to go out, or you could go out and then do a craft at the place there. But it's just fun to hang out with friends and do things together and kind of connect over um, a book, or just hanging out with friends. Um, it's just a fun way to get together. But hopefully you'll journal and then read the book and then tune in next week and we'll kind of talk about it. All right. Thank you so much for watching.